Upcoming specs and features of Xperia XZ3. Recent reports have suggested that Sony would be debuting the Xperia XZ3 flagship phone at the IFA 2018 Tech Trade Show, that is scheduled to take place between August 31 and September 5 in Berlin, Germany. It is expected to borrow the dual rear camera setup and front-facing camera from the Xperia XZ2 premium smartphone that was unveiled recently. Today, a new Sony phone with a model number of H8416 has appeared on GFX Bench. Since it features flagship specs, it is being speculated that it could be the forthcoming Xperia XZ3 phone. According to the GFX Bench listing, the Sony H8416 features a 5.9-inch display that supports Quad HD+ resolution of 2880 by 1440 pixels. This suggests that the display offers an aspect ratio of 18:9. It seems to be the first ever from the Japanese firm to support QHD+ resolution on an 18:9 aspect ratio screen. The Snapdragon 845 SoC is present under the hood of the H8416 phone. The SoC is coupled with 6 GB of RAM, and the device includes an inbuilt storage of 128 GB. For shooting selfies, it has a 13-megapixel front camera. GFX Bench usually lists information of the main sensor of a smartphone, even if it features a dual camera setup. The benchmarking site has revealed that the main sensor of the smartphone is of 19 megapixel. Since the Xperia XZ3 is expected to borrow the dual camera setup from Xperia XZ2 Premium, it may inherit the 19+12 megapixel Motion Eye dual camera system. It is loaded with Android 9.0. It is recommended to take this report with a pinch of salt, since there is no direct link available for the GFX Bench listing of Sony H8416. Moreover, it is not too difficult to fake a GFX Bench listing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.